Today I'll be going over Poison Ivy by the Rolling Stones. This was written by Lieber and Stoller, I think in 1957. If you don't know who Lieber and Stoller are, they're a very famous songwriting duo, wrote a lot of songs for Elvis and whatnot. I'd encourage you to looking them up. But as far as we're concerned, Stones recorded this in 1963. First take kind of sucked, so they re-recorded it in later that year, and that was the one that we're going to be going over. It's a pretty good one. Kind of simple, kind of short song, but fun to play. So you start off going something like this. It's kind of easy to play here. All you do is go on the E, open, 2, 4. And then on the A you go 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret. And then you come up here to the A chord, bar chord. And so to play that, you're hitting the first note, the root note here. The 7th fret of the A string, and then you're doing like an arpeggio down, and then you just play the D chord, then the E chord again. So you play that maybe like 5-6 times through, and then you go to the chorus. And so right before you hit in the chorus, right after he says you can look but you better not touch, you play this note right here, which is kind of like a vibrato of the 4th of C sharp, which is the 4th fret on the A string. So and then you go into the chorus. And for the chorus you do C sharp minor, G sharp, back to C sharp minor, F sharp, C sharp minor again, and then B. So you can play the chorus that way. I think in the recording they kind of play it a little bit differently. They go like, and they play that pattern for all the chords in the chorus. And it's fairly simple. They're just going on the root note, playing it twice, and then sliding it up 4 semitones, or I guess 3. So they're sliding from the 4th fret here to the 7th fret here, and then on the D string they're playing the 6th fret. And then they're doing that on all the chords except for the last one. So it goes something like this. So you'll notice there that you do 2 in a row on the first 2 chords. So and then all the other ones you just do 1. And on that last one, all you're doing is just going from the 2nd to the 4th one on the A string. So that's the chorus. You can either play with the chords or you can just play it with their single notes. Single notes is how they do it in the recording. Chords kind of gives a fuller sound, whatever you want. And after that you go back into the verse. And then you play that again, and then you go into the chorus again. The only other part is when you go into the chorus, or after the second chorus, I think, you play the middle section where it goes, I'll play the chorus and I'll play the middle section. So that's the last part of the song you need to know right there. And you're doing the same pattern that you're doing in the regular verse of the song, where you're going, but this time it's on the A string, so you're going on the A string, open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, and then on the D string, 2, 4, 2. And so after playing that twice, and you go to the E string, that same pattern, but the second time you go. So you just go from open to 4th to 2. And then you go back to the A string. After playing that twice, you play the B chord. And then that's when you go back into the regular verse. Alright, so that's how you play Poison Ivy. Very simple, very quick tutorial there. It's only those 3 parts, just the verse, the chorus, and the middle. You can, like with all my videos, just follow along with the lyrics, master each one of the parts, and then kind of tie it all together, because it's just a bunch of repetition otherwise. I hope you found this video useful, and please like if you like this video, and subscribe if you've liked my other videos. So, alright.